I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper of the day for Monday, April 4th. Hope everybody had a fantastic weekend and you guys are ready to rock. We got another dark pool level on the SPY, 451.43. You'll notice that I will underline it if it is the most recent. The bolded ones that I've bolded here are recent or relevant. Okay, ones that we are definitely paying attention to, like this massive 20 million. That is a recent one. We also have these guys that are not as recent, but they're close in price and very large. So really watching those two. We are below that. If we close above that, then I would be bullish on the swing picture. But this is just for day trading today. We're going to be bullish above 454.62. It's a level I don't normally use. It's 5/8 to enter, but we had Camarilla just below that. So I kind of wanted to go a little bit higher. All right, we'll see if that will trigger today. There is a lot of room here to the upside. All right, but remember we have a lot of that dark pool right in that area. Or are we going to break below the 8 EMA, bear below 451? We're at a very interesting spot on a lot of charts, kind of in the middle of the 4 and the 8 on the daily chart. So let's switch over to the Russell, the IWM. Okay, we're going to be bullish above 208.52 and bear below 206.75. Notice that this target says DP. That is a recent dark pool level, right, which I've bolded right here. We haven't had as much dark pool activity on the Russell, but the Qs have been super hot. All right, the Qs, we're going to be bullish above 364.20 and bear below 360.47. We'll see which way she wants to go. Let's switch over to the futures. The E-minis. All right, bullish above 45.55. We haven't triggered yet. Bear below 45.27. The NASDAQ futures, bullish above 14.950. Bear below 14.775. We haven't triggered that either. Let's head on over to oil. Light sweet crude futures. May is the month that we are using. Bullish above 101.25. Yeah, oil's starting to lift again. Notice how we came down here and stopped on these Camarillas. These are really powerful. All right, they're unbelievable. Look how we came up to this Camarilla. That's a CR. You'll see me putting that in there. CR, right? Here's a CR. Camarilla resistance or a Camarilla support. CS. Those will be used as targets because computers are programmed to buy when we're coming down to it and sell when we're coming up to it. For today only. They change every single day. All right, so bear below 98, bull above 101.25. Let's head on over to the gold futures. All right, gold starting to heat up too today. Bullish above 1937.50. We're getting close. Bear below 1924. All right, let's head on over to Bitcoin futures. All right, Bitcoin futures are slightly negative on the day. We'll be bullish above 47,100. I went above this last Camarilla resistant right there and bear below 45,500. And then I went below this last Camarilla support. See how I'm using them? Yeah, it's kind of a staircase of resistance here and a staircase of support when we have a lot of them below us. All right, let's switch over to the individual stocks. And let's start with Tesla. Yeah, wide open on this daily chart. Bullish above $1,101. Bear below 1075. All right, my bear trade is really from the 4 kind of going down to the 8 EMA there. Let's go to PDD. We call it P Diddy Diddy. We're going to be bullish above 46.50 for Pinduo and bearish below 44.80 for retracement. All right, retracement trade. Watch out for this peanut butter and jelly. I had a question this morning from the interactive room. I use the 200 exponential moving average and the 200 simple. The simple is in red and the exponential is in brown. It kind of looks like peanut butter and jelly to me. So it's kind of my little nickname that I made for it. I use it on a 5-minute chart. But if I'm using it on a 15, I will put 15 next to the P or the jelly. All right, so you know which one I'm using it on. And you'll see me using it a lot throughout these whispers. Okay, there's computers that are programmed to buy when we come down to them and sell when we go up to them, and they are very, very powerful. Amazing. So you'll see me using them every day. Twitter, getting a lift, but is it going to be a gap and go higher or a pop and drop scenario? So bullish above $50.20. I spotted a seller at 50, and we're going to be bearish below 47. All right, see if it's going to retrace or not. Okay, let's go to NEO. All right, NEO, we're going to be bullish above 23.50. We've had lots of dark pool activity on NEO lately, a lot. Bear below 22.80. But see how I put right here PBJ? If we look on the 5-minute chart, okay? Here they are. Now they do move. That's why it's important to put them on your own charts. They will move throughout the day a little bit, but right now it's a band of support. If we do come down there, it'll most likely bounce. So we use it as a target. Especially when they're very close to each other, they're even more powerful. All right, let's go to BEKE. Bullish above 1550. I can see a nice trade up to this 50 simple moving average. And bear below 15 for BEKE. Let's head on over to Apple. Apple's stuck in between the 4 and the 8, but I think it'll get unstuck today. Bullish above 175.50, bear below 173.50. We'll see which way Apple wants to go. Snap has been very heavy in dark pool activity. Oh yeah, very, very heavy. So we are going to watch this today. Lots of pre-market volume. Today could be the day of the move. Bullish above 38.75. Bear below 36.48. And last but not last, sorry, GDX. Got two more. GDX, lots of pre-market volume. Watch that 40 level. Bullish above 40. We've had lots of dark pool activity. Bear below 39 if she does go down. And Bank of America is last but certainly not least. A lot of dark pool activity. Earnings are in another 10 days. Yeah, so let's see if it'll come and kind of fill this gap in down here or not today. We're going to be bearish below 40.50. We tested that on Friday. So second time around, less buyers will be showing up. Bullish above 41.50 for a retrace. All right, keep in mind, these are just day trades for today. Please do not use these levels for any other day, but today, tomorrow, I'll give you all new trade setups, all right? If you're interested in the swings, I put out a weekly video newsletter called Dark Pool Insights. On Saturdays, it usually goes out where I map out the highest probability swing trades for you. Just have to go to thedarkpools.com and you'll find it there, all right? Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
That's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.